Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Sony WI-C100 wireless earphones and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now there's two reasons you might want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If these earphones are not connecting to Bluetooth, or they're not syncing with your device or pairing with your device, or if they keep disconnecting, or if you're not getting sound, they're not working, anything like that can very often be fixed with a hard reset. Now, the second reason you're going to want to do this, and you would have to do this either way, is if you want to wipe everything off of these earphones, like the pairing history and everything like that, and restore to the out-of-the-box settings, because that's what will happen, and you can just get a fresh start on them. It's very easy to do. We just want to make sure, first of all, they're not plugged in and they're turned off. And once that happens, we're just going to go in and we're going to press the power button and the volume down buttons simultaneously for 7 seconds. After 7 seconds, the indicator light will blink 4 times in blue, indicating that the reset to settings has been completed.